Blog post type number 1. How-to guides and tutorials for blogging. These are some of the simplest, yet most effective blog posts that you can create, and they serve a real need that your readers have. You can guide your readers, step by step, through a particular process, showing them exactly how to do something. Your readers are looking to you as the expert, and it's your responsibility to show them exactly how to achieve their goal. Examples of this type of blog post include: how to create a blog, how to install the Facebook pixel on a website, how to get more email subscribers, how to do more push-ups, how to set up a Roth IRA. Your goal is to give your readers a simple-to-follow guide that will make it as easy as possible for them to achieve their desired outcome. When writing how-to and tutorial blog posts, it's critical to break things down into the smallest, simplest steps possible. Avoid assuming that your readers know what they're doing. Remember, they're looking to you for help. Also, ensure that your tutorial is as complete as possible. Don't leave your readers hanging with 1 or 2 steps left in the process. Guide them the entire way, from start to finish. Your goal is to make things as easy and simple as possible for readers. If possible, include things like screenshots and videos to make your tutorials even simpler to follow. If you need inspiration when writing a how-to or tutorial blog post, consider watching some related videos on YouTube. YouTube is known for having millions of tutorial videos, and you can surely find one related to your subject. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion 𝗵𝗂𝗶𝗱𝗲 and our website at digitalpromotions𝗵𝗂𝗶𝗂𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗀𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂